Hello and welcome once again. Durban City FC is pleased to announce Khalil Ben Youssef as their new head coach ahead of the 2026-27 season. The 37-year-old Tunisian tactician joins Durban City FC as the club embarks on an exciting new chapter following a historic period of growth and success. A holder of the CAF A license, Ben Youssef brings extensive coaching experience from across Africa and the Middle East. Having worked in Tunisia, Morocco, Tanzania, Saudi Arabia, United Arab Emirates before coming to South Africa with Kaizer Chiefs. Here is a statement from Durban City FC chairman Farouk Kadodia as he reflects on the club's decision to appoint Ben Youssef. He says, Khalil is a coach with strong expertise, excellent tactical knowledge, and a clear understanding of the modern game. We believe he's the right person to lead the next phase of Durban City Football Club's journey. Over the past 2 seasons, we have built a strong foundation, and our focus is now to continue growing the club both on and off the field. We are confident that Khalil possesses the leadership character and football philosophy required to help us achieve our ambitions. And we are delighted to welcome him to Durban City FC. That's the statement from Durban City Chairman Farouk Kadodia on the appointment of Khalil Ben Youssef. And Khalil also expressed his excitement regarding joining Durban City. He says, I am honored to join Durban City FC and would like to thank the chairman, the board of directors, and everyone at the club for the trust they've placed in me. This is an ambitious club with a clear vision for the future, and I am excited to begin working with the players and the technical staff as we prepare for the season ahead. My focus is on building a competitive team that reflects the value and ambition of Durban City FC. That's what Khalil Ben Youssef said. And remember, replacing Pitso Dladla won't be an easy task. He's replacing a coach who managed to put the club in the top 8 and win the Nedbank Cup, which helped them to qualify for the CAF Confederations Cup in their first season after gaining promotion from Motsepe Foundation Championship. So it won't be an easy task. Expectations will be through the roof. So do you think that he will manage with those expectations? So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this appointment by Durban City to appoint former Kaizer Chiefs co-coach Khalil Ben Youssef, who did a remarkable job in the past 2 seasons with Kaizer Chiefs? Do you think that he will continue on that trajectory and help Durban City to become the club that they believe they can become? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section. See you next time.